Have you ever seen how forest machines are made? Welcome to John Deere Forestry's factory. At John Deere, every employee has a shared goal and an important role in the making of our forest machines. Our professional personnel, modern facilities, and digitalized work processes ensure that the factory's production of forest machines runs smoothly. The seams are first welded using robots and then finished manually. The work is always accurate and precise. This is how we ensure a final result that withstands even the most demanding forest conditions and the stresses of heavy work. The expertise and passion of our factory workers is visible in every forest machine we manufacture. We work together for the good of our customers and sustainable forestry. Our factory uses the industry's latest technologies and production methods, enabling efficient and sustainable production. Every one of our forest machines is meticulously designed, down to the smallest detail, because we know the demands of forest conditions, both for the machines and the operators. John Deere's own diesel engine, IBC Intelligent Boom Control, and Timbermatic maps make our forest machines efficient and precise. The rotating and leveling cabin ensures ideal working conditions for forest machine operators. We put our forest machines through thorough testing to ensure that they are ready for work. Advanced technology and reliability and durability are the choice of forestry professionals around the world.